Bwega nuntu bakwina mbere kwa twichokera kaire murithire wa Meru TV twina mbere kwa tukimurikaga bira biekiretwo geri kana biekiretwo ritonde ni ya ngatheti ino ndina ngatheti chieri njarani yako kama kawaida kana takawethire na ngatheti ya Daily Nation ndina ngatheti ya The Standard ngatheti ya Standard ni uretio kiuria kauria rais Murongo ngatheti ya The Daily Nation reagao yandikitwo mantu maciaca ira chiethiretwo ikina mbere kwigua ikionekana the politics of handshakes siasa chia cheki chia njara kanini ngatheti nino ya The Daily Nation murithire wa Meru TV na arayethiretwo ikina mbere kwigua yina ngono kathumba tu karatati ka mbere ngono tukaina mbere kwa tuichithagia ndeni ya ngatheti ino gaunde ona shame MPs have on many occasions been accused of being on the executive stake ni bora jumbe bethe bakina mbere kwigua bakiwetwa kwigua bari kiruthaga kana bakina mbere kwa bakiringithagio sana na tongore wabo ne kana the executive agaunde ona mbicha tongore mwanya nkona mbicha ya the former president Uhuru Kenyatta, President William Ruto, karibu mbuga president Raila Odinga na Kenya Mr. Gachagua. Mr. Kenyatta 2013 coalition deal with President Ruto and 2018 handshake with Mr. Odinga. Rais kana utongore bwa Kenyatta 2013 baadhi ya nambere kwa bakirwaga bakiwatanagira Bwega na Ruto, lakini 2018 baina mbere kwa bakiwatanaga njara na Raila Odinga. President Ruto no 2013 coalition with Mr. Kenyatta, 2025 deal with Mr. Odinga, claims of blackmail by Mr. Gachagua. No Rais Ruto bethe tubakina mbere kwa bakiwatanaga nao na Raila. Mr. Odinga 2018 handshake with Mr. Kenyatta and 2025 broad-based government with President Ruto. No Raila na thiritwa kina mbere kwa kiona kaenda ya thirikari. Mr. Gachagua claims Dr. Ruto offered him 2 billion to resign. President says he demanded 10 billion for political support. Gachagua no thiritwa kina mbere kwa kiuga Rais Ruto athie na mbere kwigua kimwira au metongoria ni kimonenkagira billion chiri noe Gachagua endaga billion 10 kengwa ina mbere kwigua akibumbanagira kiri mantu makonie na siasa. Karatati niga kariaga kana karatati niga kambere murithire wa Meru TV President William Ruto claims of 10 billion demanded by his former deputy Rigathi Gachagua in exchange for political support exposed the transactional natural of the country's politics, where elected leaders are willing to dish out billions of taxpayers' cash to buy loyalty. This flagrant bribery happens in the run-up of presidential contest during coalition building and in sealing case fire deal, and Kenya's top politicians have been accused of being complicit. Gaunara indi kumana na ndeto ni kuina mbere kwikiumbukaga ati Rigathi Gachagua na thia na mbere kwigua gite ya shilingi bilioni 10 kengwa thina mbere kwigua kirisign utongoria nita munini wa rais kagita karari ku ithireche ndeto kina mbere kwigua ndi kiumburaga ndeto kankurani na arende ya Kenya bethere to bakiona ogoti bwa ubu bethere to kina mbere kwa bwetu magro bothoku kugura royalty kana